You see, like most of us, I had a vision. A clear one, or I thought so. Basically, as you know, or you might not, I am a huge basketball fan. When I say huge basketball fan, I really mean it. So, I wanted to see what it was feel like to be in their shoes, to do what they do on a daily basis. So, this started with TikTok, a social media platform you might be familiar with, you might not, doesn't really matter. And I saw titles like A Day in the Life of a D1 Athlete, or Training Camp Saved My Life, or 3 workouts a day saved my life. So, in my right mind, or at least I thought so, I could do the same thing. So, I wanted to recreate what these NBA athletes or D1 athletes did on everyday basis. So, things like conditioning, um, ball handling, all of these shooting drills to do just like them. So, of course, I had everything planned out. I had plans like I would wake up before school, do some ball handling, then after school, do some conditioning, then at night time, do my shooting workout, and have a beautiful day just like anyone would want to. So I thought it was all fun and games until I opened my eyes. You see, this little second, this little fraction of a second, really ruined a 2 month motivational speeches, motivational videos, all of this just came through 1 second. Though I did wake up, I did get up, went jogging, went ball handling, and oh, never mind. That was just a dream afterward. So, sleep can never be taken away from me. I'm a Taurus, I know this, it deprived me. So, for my 30-day challenge, I wanted to choose the beta version of what my dreams were, or I thought I would achieve them someday. So, my 30-day challenge was to shoot 25 free throws a day. 25 free throws, right? Easy, right? More like easier said than done. So I came in with this challenge with the biggest confidence in the world. I came in with total underestimation. I was like, I'm gonna ace this because of my prior beliefs that I would one day come like an athlete. So first day, brick. Second day, brick. Third day, brick. Fourth day, yeah, brick. So I lost all interest in this challenge, all interest. A lot of questions came up to me like, how could I even ever think of doing what these people did in these videos, and I can't even shoot 10 free throws a day? What is this work ethic? What is my work ethic? Like, how could I even think a dream could be possibly made? So, I gave up, honestly. I lost complete interest. That was my bad. But I did go to sleep as a resort. You see, now we're back to block 0. Well, joking or not. Then, I figured I'd be serious for once in my life. Yeah, hard to believe for someone like me, I know. So I got myself together with 3 principles: patience, baby steps, and accepting failure. First of all, accepting failure was the biggest one. Shooting like 5 over 25 every day for the first week, I accepted that. And I figured that progress came with baby steps. So one day it was 5, 6, 7. I realized that would be the achievement I need. And patience, trusting the process. This phrase, trusting the process, really helped me out. So, my results, I actually gained more than I lost. For me at least, succeeded. I actually saw progress in my free throw percentage. I saw that I scored more day after day and actually got to my goal, which was scoring 70% every day of my free throws. So all in all, this challenge really taught me a lot. First of all, taught me how to be patient, how to trust the process, how to do many things I didn't know, how to not underestimate, to never, never underestimate. Just because of my prior beliefs of thinking that means something like what I saw, which maybe one, no, never mind, that will never happen. But we can all dream for once and for all. Thank you.